Hello everyone, welcome to the Stealing Insight YouTube channel. So I just come across this question on Facebook and I felt I should share with everyone in my community in order to solve this. The person just put the question that didn't solve it. So I felt I should just solve so that we'll be able to see how it's done in case we come across some questions like that. Now, this question is very straightforward and simple in the sense that we've been given hints of what to do. We're having forest power hex, forest power x, system raised to power hex. All we need to do, which is the first thing, is to ensure that all of them are in the same base number, which will be 4, 2x minus 4x equals to 4x. Because what we are saying in essence is that the square of this 4, which is the same thing as doing this, the square of this 4 will give you the 4 raised to power 2x. Now from here we can factorize out one of it, then 4 raised to power x, then you have it to be 4 raised to power x minus 1 equals 4 raised to power x. Now that you are having this, what it simply means is that you can divide both sides by one of the 4 raised to power x, and with this you have it to be 4 raised to power x minus 1 equals to 1. At this point, what we are looking out for is to ensure that everything aligns. So the next thing you need to do here is to collect like terms. When you collect like terms, you're having raised to power this equals 1 plus 1, and that's going to give you 4 raised to power x equals 2. Now that we're having 4 raised to power x equals 2, we can also reduce this to become 2 square x equals 2 raised to power 1. Once we're having this 2x raised to power 1, we're having the same base number, and with that we can move on to get that solved, in the sense that this base number and this base number are now equal and there is nothing hindering them. So 2x will now be equals to 1. Divide both sides by 2, then x equals to 1 over 2. So that's the answer to that question. I just felt I should quickly share with us. If you like the solution, click the thumbs up button for us to see how well you've interacted with our solutions, and also expect more of these questions that are not being solved on other platforms that they are just being given from our hand. Thank you and bye bye.